Updating your billing information on Plex Pass is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment details are current. Step 1. Log into your Plex account. Visit the Plex website and log in using your account credentials. Make sure you are using the account associated with your Plex Pass subscription. Step 2. Access account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SR to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Go to billing information. In the account settings, find the section dedicated to billing or subscription details. This is where you can view your current payment method and subscription status. Step 4. Update payment method. Select the option to update your payment method. Enter your new billing information, including credit card details or other payment options, and ensure all information is accurate. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new billing information, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm your changes and ensure that your new payment details are saved in the system. Make sure to review your billing information periodically to avoid any interruptions in your Plex Pass service.